Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to solve this problem that minus 2z plus 5 bracket over plus 4 divided by 3 is equals to 2 plus 3 bracket minus z minus 2 divided by 4. So now here we have to find the value of z. So first of all, here we write minus. This minus is with whole term, so we write minus 2z and minus 5 plus 4 divided by 3 equals to 2 plus this 3 is with whole this term. Now we can't do that 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. No, this 3 is with this whole term. So now plus into minus, minus, so we write here minus 3z plus into minus, minus 3 to the 6 divided by 4. So now here we can simplify this. Minus 2z minus 5 plus 4 is equals to minus 1 upon 3 is equals to 2 minus 3z minus 6. So 2 minus 6 is equals to minus 3z and minus 4 divided by 4. So now we use BCM by cross multiplication. So we write 3 multiplied by minus 3z minus 4 bracket over is equals to 4 multiplied by minus 2z minus 1 bracket over. Now 3 3 the 9 minus 9z minus 4 3 the 12 is equals to minus 8z minus 4. So now 9 minus 9z minus 8z is equals to plus 8z is equals to minus 4 minus 12 on the other side of equal, it becomes plus 12. So minus 9z plus 8z is equals to minus z is equals to minus 4 plus 12 is equals to plus 8. So z is equals to 8. We have to, minus z is equals to 8. We have to find the value of z. So we cancel minus by multiplying both side with minus 1 this side and minus 1 this side. So it minus and minus cancel. So we write this as z is equals to minus 8. So z is equals to minus 8. This is our answer.